Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And today I'm outside in the snow. It's really cold. This is usually the weather at Lethbridge, Alberta. This is the weather usually at Lethbridge, Alberta. You can barely see the school right there in front of you. It's gonna be snowing for 2 days straight, non-stop. Backyard, there's lots of snow. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below if it's snowing in your place where you live right now. And yeah, there's one person shoveling right there. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Bye.